So this is my screwdriver drawer, consisting of mostly snap-on stuff, hard handles, nut drivers, Mac picks, little ratcheting bit holders, screwdrivers, some Mac screwdrivers, snap-on stubbies, Matco Torx, snap-on long-handled picks, hose picks, upholstery tools, long Mac screwdrivers, window trim tool. Doing our Kenworth windows, we do in house. Old school Craftsman, just a beaten screwdriver. Another one too. Snap-on ratcheting screwdriver, stubby one. Wear bits, a set of Torx bits, all kinds of bits in here. We are usually mostly German. In here is nut drivers, bits for the drill, more bits, more blue point bits. Snap-on saw, nice for cutting dashes when you got to do some switches. And here is my Mitutoyo Absolute micrometer, some Starrett gauges and depth gauges, and a I don't know what that is. A set of snap-on Robertson Canadian style. So that's it for that here. Next short is pliers. Most of my locking pliers are up here. Most of them are vice grips. So in this box I have a Blackhawk double flaring tool, wire strippers, relay pullers, fuse pullers, skive tool, wire strippers, weather pack crimpers, just butt end crimpers, hose pinch pliers, hose cutters, these stupid things that I bought from Mac that I'll never ever use, tin snips. These are mostly Mac pliers, the long handles with the hoops. This one here I use predominantly for this guy, the connectors on cats. Some Nipex, channel lock, waste needle nose, some snap-on ones, long nose snap-ons, all water pump pliers, channel lock, a couple pairs of clients, snap-on slip joints, and then the high torque ones, and some Nipex dikes. And the next drawer is most of my cat bars, pry bars, cat bars, lady slippers. These are all Mac. I think these are Blue Point. These are snap-on pry bars. This one is too, a loose one. Mini snap ring pliers. Non-destructive prying things for taking dashes apart. Big set of thread chasers. These are metric and no, these are national fine and national coarse. Big set. All kinds of little machine screws, metric. Ratcheting snap ring pliers, Mac set. They're good, especially when you got to do the thermostat on the oil, for the engine oil on the ISX Cummins. Sonic's master set of 1/4" drive. Wicked set. Everything, you name it. Swivels, Torx, extensions, deep shallow. These guys here should be actually the top. So the Matco 3/8 impact Torx. They actually belong up here. Have to find some room for them somewhere in there. Mac, long Allens, Olfa knives, striker, mini snap-on pipe wrench. I use this guy all the time. Mac 1/4" driver ratchet. This is the one with the head turns. You can change the to Wicked. This guy here, Husky 3/8 ratchet. I love it. Works good. Made in Japan. I think that's it for that one. Next drawer is my air tools. So I got 2 sets of Mac drill bits. And these are the cobalt jobbers for this really small guys for the right angle drill. Those are just long cobalts. Set of benchmark drill bits belong to my dad. All my tools for my air tools. Bunch of bits, oiling stuff. Set of Mac wire brushes that go in the drill. Cleaning out oil holes and everything. Plugs. Right angle Ingersoll run. Right angle Mac. Mac with a wire. Mac, or snap-on Mac. Snap-on 3/8, snap-on 1/2 inch. CP air grinder. Snap-on PH 50 air hammer. Snap-on or Blue Point buffer. Stanley 3/8 cordless drill. Awesome, lithium ion, 12 volt. All my attachments for my air hammer. Big dies. All my taps. Loose ones. Ratcheting tap, I don't know. All my deburr tools. Flopper discs and hole discs. More here. Wire brushes. Cut off discs. 3/8 Walter chuck for a drill. JIC and Warby 4FS plugs. And just some cylinder plugs for when we send out to get the cylinders remanufactured. And I think that's it. Glad hands. A couple specialty hoses. This drawer has got steering wheel puller, silicone, all my pullers, big drift I use. This guy's a yoke puller for pulling yokes. I made it. Wire brushes galore in here. Big hook bar, Blue Point, big snap-on pry bar, big cheater bar. Just my hammers. Most of them are snap-on. They're rigid pipe wrenches. S-cam. Made that for pulling in the S-cam bushings. Most of this is lifting or specialty made for holding axles. Puller, pulling on the old style. Pulling the rear cover off of the Eaton's. This is an AC clutch puller made. And some auxiliary drive holders when you're setting the auxiliary drive. This drawer's got everything in it. Mac gasket punches. Work good. Napa Ultra Pro dial indicator. Nice kit. This is a rethreader kit. Mac. Use it quite a bit. Air fittings. Big top and die set. You guys have seen that. Snap-on cordless infrared thermometer. Use it quite a bit. They're brand new. It's good. It's got the probe for measuring temperature. I got this on sale. I get my Snap-on kit for a good deal. For like $300 they list for. I got that in the drill for like $300. So brand new diesel brush for doing injector cups. brand new Streamlight. Have them. These are mine. I personally bought these from my Cumminses I run. A couple large pickup. Front rear seal installers. Disconnect toolkit. Mac. Hone. Puller. Not our bearing race installer. 2 sets of Allen keys. T-handles. Snap gauges. Another set. Big set of Mac snap ring pliers. Piston ring installer. Cap for there. Hone. Don't use that one. I got the hone in here. And some snap ring pliers. Here, piston ring pliers. That's the bottom drawer. Top drawer here. All my sealants, pans, brake pots, marking filters, magnets, Streamlight, more flashlights. This guy's wicked for checking broken springs and brake pots. It's like an ET light, so it's pretty good. I think this is a Mac one, but it's made by Streamlight. It used to say Mac on that, still does. Mac flashlight. It's kind of a Chinese Streamlight. Works good. And a little guy. Feeler gauges, big truck one, exhaust and intake. The other tool for the window tool. My most used feeler gauges that I use here. Another set. Use KD. Yep. Offset set. Use this one quite a bit. Loctite. DCA levels and coolant for checking coolant. Make sure that you don't have an acidic coolant in diesels. Mirrors. Another light. Broken mirror. This one, the batteries are dead. Some studs, AC parts, more caps and plugs, driveline stuff, AC, radio, 2 ways we do lots. We're doing brass. I do this for my bearing roll-ins. These are VVA wires, look how hard they are. Change lots of those here. Lighter, John Deere differential manual, PD or PDF or like one of these flash drives. That's all they come now. Things like $400. That's it for that drawer. This is my punch and chisels. Up here I got 2 sets of snap-on Allen keys and a set of small Allens. Most of these are all Nicholson files. Tractors galore. I can never have enough. Seal puller, Allen keys, more Allens, punch holder. These are for doing head bolts and cats. All my flat chisels are in here. Everything is mostly in this. This is Mayhew. Mayhew here. To the Mac roll pin punches, instead of proto long tapered punches. In here I have Mac bearing punches, and here I got more files, bigger ones here, all Nicholson. This one here, it's a wooden one, but it's got a Nicholson file with a wood handle. And some aluminum ones for doing some seals and stuff. And hacksaw blades, grease pencil. So that's in that drawer. Not too much. This one is kind of scrapers and catch everything drawer. Razor blade, tape measure, seal puller, scraper, slide hammer for pulling seals out, scrapers, tape measure, some more scrapers, Mac scraper, snap-on scraper, putting decals on, serpentine belt tool, Mac ratcheting, all the bits, for like my governors and stuff. Valve stem scraper, Mac flip light, snap-on Canadian-made scrapers, torpedo level, doing accessories, satellite mounts, we do that. What's in that one? This is my diagnostic drawer. So I have a whole bunch of cat and wire ends, weather packs that we use, change out quite a bit. Back probe kit, another back probe kit, butane soldering torch, a gun, label maker. This one is for cat or Deutz ends, weather pack, terminal tool. This one here is another one, different. A test light. I don't use them a lot still. All test leads, more test leads, soldering tool, battery post cleaners, soldering stuff, all shrink tube, trailer plug, snap-on, multimeter, manual ranging. Looks good for me. You know how to use it, boys. Gas torch, just a bunch of big gas torch, headlamp, and just a bunch of stick-on holders and trailer plugs and some stuff, just electrical. A bunch of jumper wires and clamps. In the bottom drawer I have my Mac scanner. We do have quite a few 450 Fords and 550 Fords here, hotshot trucks. So I have a Mac ET150 5AX, good scanner, on sale, $100, everything. Manuals, ratchet straps for trannies, Caterpillar parts, quarter drill, road bag, and lots of Cat and John Deere parts there. All rings usually. And that's it for this guy. And then on the side of this Epic, I built a shelf. I made it out of some steel. And I got my welding helmet. All my chemicals I use. Fluid film, all the good stuff. My magnet trays hanging there. There's one more being used. Keep all my oils, spray paints, grease gun. Made a jacket hook because we had to go outside lots. Hard hats up top, and yeah, that's predominantly what I work on. Kind of quick view of the shop, welding area, and wheel loader. Just got finished changing the articulation bearings in this bad boy, and put a new windows in it, and a new roof. We had an accident, so yeah, that's it for now, boys. If you like what you see, I'll make some more videos. So that's what it is, a 65-inch or 68-inch snap-on Epic. Thanks for watching.